Looking for the best phone under €300 in 2025? Flagships are flashy, foldables are thinner. But the real action for most people is in the budget space, where value keeps getting better. The challenge? Cutting through megapixels, milliamp hours, refresh rates, to what actually feels great day to day. We tested, compared, and lived with them to find the ones that rise above the noise. Balance is key. Performance, camera quality, battery life, and software that stays smooth. We've narrowed it to 5 phones that punch way above their price. These are picks we'd recommend to friends and family. It's a tight race. Each has unique strengths that might be perfect for you. So, with all that said, let's count down the top 5 phones you should consider under €300. Kicking off at number 5. Number 5, Samsung Galaxy A35, typically around €280. Classic Samsung experience, a vibrant Super AMOLED that's bright, punchy, and a joy to use. Built as a solid all-rounder, not flashy, just consistently good every day. Battery life is reliable thanks to efficient hardware and Samsung's software tuning. One UI is clean and feature-rich, with multiple years of OS and security updates. Cameras are predictable. Main sensor is the workhorse. Ultra-wide and macro are handy in a pinch. For a premium display, long-term support, and a trusted brand, the A35 is a safe, smart daily driver. Number 4, Xiaomi Redmi Note 14, around €250. Serious performance for the money, snappy in daily use and capable in games. Large battery delivers long endurance, and you often get a fast charger in the box. High megapixel main sensor punches above its weight in good light. Night is fine, but not flagship. Big, high-refresh screen keeps everything feeling fluid. HyperOS is feature-packed, but can feel bloated with extra apps and occasional ads. If you want max specs per euro and don't mind tweaking the software, the Note 14 is a powerhouse. Number 3, Realme 12 Pro, usually around €270. Design and materials feel a class above. Attention to detail stands out. A bright OLED at 120Hz makes every swipe buttery smooth. Realme's fast charging is legit. A quick top-up gets you hours of use. Performance is tuned to keep that fast display feeling snappy across apps and most games. Cameras are capable and fun, with lots of modes to play with. Want flagship feel without the price? Realme 12 Pro nails style and substance. Runner-up at number 2, Motorola Moto G85, about €240. Near-stock Android, minimal bloat, and handy Moto actions. Simple and fast. Lightweight software plus a big battery equals excellent endurance. Comfortable, practical build. Great for long sessions without fatigue. Not a gaming beast, but tuned perfectly for smooth everyday tasks. Straightforward camera that delivers natural, reliable photos. If you're tired of clutter, the G85's simplicity is its superpower. And at number 1, the best phone under €300 in 2025, the Poco X6. Flagship-level performance at a mid-range price. Apps open instantly, multitasking is seamless. For gaming on a budget, nothing beats it. Smooth frames at high settings. A high-refresh AMOLED with fast touch response keeps everything ultra-responsive. Big battery for all-day use, and very fast charging, with the charger included. Cameras impress for the price, helped by a strong image signal processor. Software is feature-rich and customizable, though not the cleanest. Enthusiasts won't mind. It prioritizes raw power and a fantastic display, creating a near-flagship feel at a budget price. Top-tier processor, beautiful fast screen, rapid charging. The X6 is value perf king. For delivering incredible speed and power under €300, the Poco X6 takes our top spot. So, those are our top 5 phones under €300 in 2025. Samsung Galaxy A35, our solid all-rounder. Xiaomi Redmi Note 14, the value king. Realme 12 Pro, premium feel without the price. Motorola Moto G85, the clean Android machine. And number 1, the Poco X6, performance champ. Whether you want clean software, a beautiful display, lightning-fast charging, or raw gaming power, there's a fantastic option here without spending a fortune. Each phone reflects a different philosophy. Pick what matters most to you. Competition means more for less, and that benefits all of us. Which one would you pick? Tell us in the comments, what matters most to you and why? Pure performance with the Poco X6, or clean software and epic battery on the Moto G85? If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more top 5 tech under XSX Euro videos. We've got more lists coming. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.